Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If Google Chrome suddenly stopped working, not opening, or keeps crashing on your Android phone, it's usually due to some common reasons. Don't worry. In this video, I'll tell you 6 reasons for this problem, and also show you 6 simple and effective ways to fix it in just a few minutes. So let's get started. Reason 1. App cache or data corruption. Over time, Chrome's cache files can get corrupted and cause crashes. Solution 1. Clear cache and storage. Go to Settings, then Apps. Then go to Chrome. Tap Storage. And then tap Clear Cache and Data. Clearing data will sign you out of websites, but your bookmarks and sync data will stay safe if you're signed into your Google account. Reason 2. Outdated Chrome app. An outdated version might crash or fail to load properly. Solution 2. Update Chrome. To fix reason, open Google Play Store. Search for Google Chrome and tap Update if available. Reason 3. Android System WebView problem. Chrome relies on Android System WebView to render web content. If it's outdated or broken, Chrome may stop working. Solution 3. Update Android System WebView. To fix this, go to Play Store. Go to Android System WebView. Tap Update if available. After that, restart your phone. Reason 4. Low storage or memory. If your phone is low on RAM or internal storage, Chrome can freeze or crash. Solution 4. Restart and free up space. So to fix it, close in Use Apps. And free up space, delete junk files or in Used Apps. After that, restart your device. Reason 5. Conflicting extensions or settings. If you use Chrome extensions via desktop sync or experimental flags, they can sometimes cause instability. Solution 5. Reset all to default. So to this fixed problem, type Chrome, flags in Chrome's address bar, and then tap Reset all to default. Reason 6. Software glitch or OS bug. Sometimes Android updates or system bugs can interfere with Chrome. Solution 6. Uninstall Chrome updates. For that, go to Settings, then Apps, then Chrome, and uninstall updates. After that, update again from Play Store. And that's it. One of these methods should fix your Chrome not working problem on Android. If it helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech tips, and share this video with your friends.